Hey guys, it's Lisa from Pick and Save. Today I am going to show you how to remove a stereo in a 2004 Acura TSX. First I'm going to remove this trim piece right here. So you'll use your flathead or your trim removing tools. After you remove this trim piece, you're going to want to remove this screw in the back here. And it's the same with the other side. So next, you have to remove this button up here. Same thing, you just use one of the trim tools or your flathead. That comes out, and you can remove that. And then it should come out fairly easily. You're going to want to unclip plugs from the back. That's how you remove a 2004 Acura TSX stereo.